Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on and use the auto click dwell timing in your Android smartphone. So basically, it's an accessibility feature that allows a mouse cursor to automatically click on an item on the screen when it stops moving for a set period of time. So instead of clicking on items, if you just hover over an item, it will go ahead and actually open up that item as if you clicked it. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and then select the settings button. You want to go down to the accessibility tile and select it. And then go down underneath interaction controls and select where it says timing controls. So on this page, you want to select auto click dwell timing. And then you can, again, set up a connected mouse to click automatically when the cursor stops moving for a certain amount of time. So if you have it disabled, to just auto click off. Otherwise, you can set it to short, medium, long, or even a custom time if you choose. So anything between zero point 0.2 seconds and a second long before it opens up the item. So pretty straightforward process, guys, on that. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.